When a smartphone like the Google Pixel 7 can no longer receive phone calls, it can be due to a minor network problem, or there's a glitch in the system that prevents incoming calls from being received. In this video, we will show you how to fix a Pixel 7 that can't receive phone calls. But before we move on, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to support us. Going back to our topic, here are the things you can do. First solution, make sure your phone has a good reception. Your phone should have a decent signal reception to be able to make and receive incoming calls. Having just one bar of signal might not be enough to transmit data properly and might lead to calls being dropped. So take a look at the signal indicator to know if your device is having issues getting signal, because if so, then that's the obvious reason why it can't receive calls. In most cases, having signal issues might have something to do with the area you're currently in. So you might consider going to an area that you know has an excellent reception. However, if the indicator shows that your Pixel 7 is indeed getting a good reception, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, restart your phone. There are times when system glitches occur, and if that happens, issues like this might also happen. But for problems caused by minor firmware glitches, a restart would be enough to fix them. So take a little time rebooting your phone, and that might just be what you need to fix the problem. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen to pull down the notification panel. Swipe down again from the notification panel to pull down the quick settings panel. Tap the power icon and select restart. Now wait until your device finishes the reboot. After the restart, try calling your phone using a different phone to see if the call goes through. If not, then try the next solution. Third solution, temporarily disable wireless services. There is one easy thing you can do that will sometimes magically fix any calling or texting problem, and that's to disable all the wireless services for a few seconds. Disabling them won't fix the problem, of course, but when you re-enable those services, that's when your phone will try to reconnect to whatever network it needs to connect just to be able to work properly. It's easy to disable all the wireless services at once. You just need to enable the airplane mode by swiping down from the top of the screen with 2 fingers and tapping its icon. After a couple of seconds, tap the icon again to disable it again. Allow your phone a few more seconds to reconnect to the network, and then try to see if your phone can now receive phone calls. Fourth solution, reset all wireless services. After the third solution and your Pixel 7 is still not able to receive calls, what you need to do next is to reset all the wireless services in your device. Doing so will bring all the services back to their default configuration, and in most cases, it will be enough to fix calling problems. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap the gear icon. Scroll down and tap System. Scroll down again to find Reset options, and once found, tap on it. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. On the next screen, you may read the information on the screen about the procedure. Once ready, tap Reset Settings. You will then be prompted to enter your security lock, so try doing that. After entering your security lock, tap Reset Settings. It will take just a few seconds and the reset will be complete. After you've done that, try calling your Pixel 7 to see if it can receive calls now. If still not, then it's probably an issue with your account or the network. Fifth solution, call your service provider. After doing the previous solutions and your Pixel 7 is still not able to receive calls, then you have no other choice but to call your service provider, report the problem, and then inquire about the status of your account as well as the network. If it's an account issue, it might be due to some unsettled bills, which you can do something about. However, if it's a network problem, then you'll be advised as to how long you have to wait before the problem is fixed. We hope that this guide can help you one way or another. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.